Buongiorno. Motorbike is so heavy with these tires on top. Thank God. Now I'm heading towards Delphi, which is known from the ancient times for its oracle. There should be some interesting ruins to see. Left. After that we reach Thermopylae, which is famous as well for some battle in the ancient time, and in the afternoon we reach Volos, which is on the east coast of Greece, because in the next days I will come back again to Thessaloniki to be ready to cross again the border with Turkey, and also because there will be a nice surprise for you.
Italy, good thing.
From Roma.
Roma.
Roma, yes.
Io Napoli,
Really?
Casoria,
Uh-huh.
before 10 years.
Right. Come on, another traffic light. Yesterday evening I went out for a dinner in the city center, and I almost managed to drop the bike at the traffic light, because the tarmac here in where I am in Patras, it's really slippery. I don't know what's the problem. So I put the foot on the ground and I almost fell. Look at the snow. I know. Come on. Oh, nice. €2. Oh, my friend, thank you so much. Thanks. So kind. He offered me the toll. My God, so nice. Okay, this made me the day. Let me wait for him. Maybe he is getting out from here. Nope. Okay. We're in Delphi. Now let's quickly give a look if I can reach the ruins. I will stop just if there is not a lot to walk, because I don't want to leave the luggage on the motorbike. No, it's not allowed to go here. So let's go back. There should be another entrance. say, nice for the history, but nothing that deserves to leave the luggage in the parking. Okay, let's give a look to the fuel station first of all, and then to the next part of the trip. Again among the snow. This is the monument to celebrate the battle which took place in the 480 before Christ, where 300 Greek soldiers managed to resist for a long period of time to a huge quantity of Persian soldiers, something between 7,000 and 200,000, something like that. Nobody knows exactly the number. Actually, I was expecting something more, big, but okay, very cool. Beautiful road, E65, only curves, wonderful. Tell me that this is the highest part. And now we go down. Yes.